Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my series Learn with Me Data Science. I'm Vanshika Verma and this is the 11th video of the series which covering the part Logistic Regression Modeling. And this is the last second video of the series. So first of all, we are understanding what is logistic regression modeling. So, logistic regression modeling is a statistical modeling technique in data science used to predict binary outcomes, which can be 0 or 1, yes or no, and can be true or false also. Based on one or more predictor variable, it estimates the probability of an event occurring and is widely used in classification problems such as spam detection, credit risk assessment, and medical diagnosis. So, let's perform logistic regression using Python. So in this code, we are in this part of the code, we are importing library and preparing the data. So first of all, we are importing the libraries. We import the Panda library and assign it the alias PD. Importing the NumPy library and assign it the alias NP. And then we are importing the train test split function for from skit-learn uh, model selection module, and then we import the logistic regression class from skit-learn model module, and then we import confusion matrix and accuracy score from skit-learn matrix module. Now, from we importing the load erase function from skitlearn dataset module, and now we are starting our code by erase equal to erase, which loads the erase dataset using the load erase function. Now we are creating a binary classification problem in which x equal to erase.data assigns the feature data from the erase dataset to the variable x, and y equal to erase target equal to 0 dot s type int creates a binary target variable y by checking it if the target value are equal to 0 Setosa class and converting the result to integer which can be 0 or 1. And then in the last line, we are splitting the data into training and test set using the train test split function with 30% of data allocated to the test set and the remaining 70% to the training set. The random state with the parameter 42 is for reproducibility. Now moving to the next part of the code, which is train the logistic regression model. In this we initialize and fit the logistic regression model first by model equal to logistic regression, which initialize a logistic regression model with default parameter model.fit trains the logistic regression model on the training data x train and y train, and we making the prediction on test set y pred is equals to model.predict uses the trained model to make prediction on the test data, and we are evaluating the model in which print accuracy calculate the accuracy of the model by comparing the predicted value with the actual value and print the result as percentage with two decimal place, and print confusion matrix print the header for the confusion matrix, and print confusion matrix calculate and print the confusion matrix which shows the number of positive true positive false positive true negative and false negative, and the output will look like will be the accuracy with 0.97 and confusion matrix is uh, true negative false negative true positive. The accuracy score and confusion matrix provides a comprehensive evaluation of the model performance. Now move to the Poisson regression. So first of all, understand what is Poisson regression. So Poisson regression is a statistical modeling technique used to predict the frequency or count of events, such as the number of accident, crimes, or defects based on one or more predictor variable. It assumes that the response variable follows a Poisson distribution and is commonly used in fields like insurance, healthcare, and finance. Now let's move to the Python implementation of Poisson regression. In first part, we are implementing. In the first part, we are importing libraries and preparing the data. So starting with the this so firstly, we are importing the stats model library, which provides statistical modeling tool, and then we sets the seed and we sets the seed uh, for reproducibility x equal to np random rand create a predictor variable x with 100 sample and one feature randomly generate between 0 and 10 and y equal to np random poison lamb equal to 3 and size equal to 100 create a count variable y with 100 sample following a Poisson distribution with a mean of 3 and x with const equal to sm dot add constant x adds a constant column to the predictor variable x to represent the intercept and this line is split into training and testing set with 20% of data allocated to the set test and test set and the remaining 80% to the remaining training set. And the resulting data is a synthetic data set with a predictor variable x and a count variable y, which can be used to train a Poisson regression model. And the next part containing fitting the Poisson regression model, in which we are firstly fitting Poisson regression model by Poisson model equal to sm.glm, which fits a Poisson regression model to the training data using the glm generalized linear model class from stats model uh, and print Poisson model dot summary, print the model summary and y print Poisson makes prediction on the test data using the fitted Poisson regression model and y predicted counts evaluate the prediction and print the predicted counts. So the output will show the model summary and the prediction count of the test data. The predicted count should be non-negative as they represent the expected number of events. This all code is for performing logistic regression and perform Poisson regression. That's it for this video. In my next video, we will understand association rule of data science. Till then, keep smiling, keep exploring. Bye bye.